Android security has improved over time, but getting stuck on the FRP lock screen can still cause problems. This video will explain in detail how to bypass the FRP lock on Samsung or Android devices using AdROM, along with its alternatives. Keep watching. Ensure your locked phone has an active SIM card, then set it aside and switch to an Android phone. Visit the AddROM official website, scroll down, and download the hushsms.apk file. Then go to My Files, then Downloads, and find and install hushsms.apk. After installing the app, open it and tap WAPPUSHSL. Then enter the phone number of the locked device. Now follow the instructions to bypass iCloud bypass. Download the FRP bypass APK file from the same list. Once downloaded, install both applications on your device. Open the FRP bypass APK application, tap the browser login option, log in with your desired Google account, and then restart the device. After restarting, you will no longer encounter the FRP lock. It will be successfully removed. However, AddROM only supports Android versions up to 9.0. If your device is running Android 10 or higher, AddROM will not be effective. But don't worry in this article. We will also introduce a more powerful and reliable solution, iMobie DroidKit. If AdROM fails or your phone is running a higher system version, you need a truly effective tool. That's why iMobie DroidKit Android Phone Toolkit comes in, a complete Android repair and unlocking suite that runs directly on your computer. Supports Android 6 to 15 and compatible with Samsung, Oppo, Xiaomi, Redmi, Poco, Vivo, and more. 100% stability is ensured, protecting your data and privacy. Firstly, free download and launch DroidKit on your PC. Then select the FRP bypass mode. Now connect your FRP locked device with a USB cable and click on the Start button. When prompted, choose your device brand to proceed. After that, the configuration file will be prepared for your device. Click the Start to Bypass button. Now follow the instructions shown to put your phone in recovery mode and get your system version. Now hit the Next button, then follow the instructions to complete the corresponding settings. After completing the setting, it will start to disable the FRP lock. When the bypass process completes, your device will be restarted and you can instantly regain full access to your device. In summary, while AdROM is helpful, it doesn't support all Android operating system versions. iMobie DroidKit, on the other hand, is a simple and efficient alternative for bypassing FRP. It even supports Android 15. Download it for free and give it a try. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.